Alright, you guys, so just a little announcements before we jump into this video. If you guys click the link in my bio and click the second option, you will see the wigs that I have for sale. I will also be adding more, but here are just a few. If you're interested in buying any of the wigs that you've seen on my channel or that I post, then go ahead and check out my Instagram. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. Cousin, how are you? It's a bad angle, I'm sorry. I'm gonna have to record here because I wanted to get the hair in its entirety, so y'all might have to see a little bit of my background. Today we will be installing this wig from Yolisa Hair. I'm obsessed, I'm in love. I think this is 26 inches. It's giving 28, like it's giving inches, girl. This hair is so soft and thick and full, and I'm so happy that I finally got some 613 hair that's like, it's true to length. And you know how you get some 613 hair and it just don't be full, it be thin, it be shedding, it just be a whole bunch of stuff. And this hair is just 10 out of 10, 20 out of 10. I love this hair so much, y'all. Hold on, it is full, like full, y'all. This is fullness. I wish that y'all could feel it, but the hair has a great density. It's full from root to tip. This hair I would buy again with my own coins, y'all. Okay, and that says a lot. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I installed it or whatever, then go ahead and keep on watching. So right now I'm just showing y'all the hair. This is how it looks fresh out of the bag. So first of all, movement is there, density is there, the color, so we're gonna have to tone that, and I'm gonna do that using my purple shampoo. But I just wanted to show you guys the yellow tones of it first. I don't know if it was picking up on camera, but girl, that thing is yellow, damn near orange. So I'm gonna go with my Shimmer Lights shampoo, and the way I do this, I just squirt, you know, some in a bowl that I just keep in my bathroom, and I mix in some water. I didn't show that. I mix in some water, then I mix in the shampoo, and then I dip the hair in. You want to make sure that you keep moving the hair, otherwise, you know what, I haven't really figured out the recipe for this because I still got some purple tones on the hair, so I don't really know, but it took out the yellowness. So the wig is plucked and everything, and at this moment I was just sizing it up to my head, and really I was trying to figure out what I was gonna do because I know that they did not want me to put brown on the roots. So right now what am I doing? I'm adding makeup to the lace, the inside of the lace, just to, you know, make it my skin complexion. I don't know why I chose to do this because I don't usually do this when I'm installing a wig. I probably just felt like the knots needed some color. So I ended up doing that, and then I felt that lip gloss break, hold on, okay, but then I felt that this color was too red and brown, so I ended up going in with a darker color eventually, just directly on top of that. But right now I'm just cutting out the earpieces, and we're about to start installing this wig. So yeah, y'all see that the color is darker. I feel like it's just a closer and better fit. The other brown was just too chocolate. I don't know. Anyway, of course we're just gonna go ahead and cut this lace. in a zigzag motion or whatever. We're gonna do that all across our hairline, and then we're gonna install the wig like we normally do. So the way I like to install my wigs, I like to pull forward a thin piece of the hairline, and that's gonna be my, I don't know the word, but I use that to hold the lace forward to place on top of the glue. So I like to just, part the hair forward, because then I could grab the lace without really grabbing the lace, and then I can see what I'm doing, basically, like, you know what I'm saying? Anyway, I'm using Ghost Bond glue, and I'm just going to put that on my hairline, smooth it out. I only do a very thin layer. I don't think it's necessary to do more than one layer. Like, my wig stays perfectly fine with this one layer. Maybe it depends on how long you want to wear your wig. I'm taking this off in, like, I don't know, like a week or so. So one thin layer works perfectly fine for me. And y'all gonna see, so I like to place the middle down first so that I know the two sides. So you see I pull the hair forward, and then I just place it down. This is the easiest way ever that I can put on a wig. Now I'm just going to put on an elastic band to further the melt down. And I'm going to leave that on, honestly, until I get a headache. But this thing is tight, so in like 2 minutes it's coming off. And I took it off, so it should be melted. You see it blends in with the skin and whatnot. Next I'm going to try and just style it. The hair is already straight, so I don't have to do much but hot comb it and do baby hairs. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please let me know what you guys think about this here in the comment section down below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. My Instagram is down below, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. If you are new, welcome cousin. How are you? Here on my channel we do whatever we want over here, okay? In today's video I'll be sharing with you guys how I take my own Instagram pictures.